Hi everybody, this is Kritesh and welcome to the another edition of podcast with Soumya ma'am. Thank you ma'am for giving your time. Thank you so much. Soumya ma'am represents Kalaneri. Kalaneri is an art gallery, Kalaneri Academy, lot of things. So let's know from her that ma'am why you started Kalaneri. I have received this question several times, so I always take it as ये मेरे पास पहली बार पूछा जा रहा है. And I love to answer this. So yes, Kalaneri was my dream since you can say when I first entered my fine arts course in fine arts department. Uh, As I pursue my BFA and I completed my masters, that decision somewhere in my mind was becoming more and more firm. Yes, I want to open such center, such academic and gallery portion where I can give platform to the young budding designers and artists, artisans and craftsmen from village, young talent of various remote areas of not only our state but entire pan India. And I was very keen कि there should be a professional center where there should be no age bar, no background, कि you are from science stream or commerce stream or what educational background. Anybody who has that eligibility criteria for me is you should have passion to learn creative art. That's all. So I wanted to give them such professional mentorship and guidance where anybody can feel free to come and learn from the professionals. So that was the Great. Idea. Amazing. Ma'am, you said the idea of Kalaneri came through fine arts. Yes. So why fine arts? I was science bio student till class 12th. And seriously, my parents were wanting for me to become medical doctor as usual because जो बच्चे भी बायो लेंगे उन्हें डॉक्टर बनना है ऐसा हमारे 90s के era में एक माइंडसेट था पेरेंट्स का. बट कहीं ना कहीं मेरे पेरेंट्स से एक छोटी सी गलती हो गई थी कि उन्होंने मुझे हॉबी क्लास में डाल दिया था घर के पास में. सो दैट समटाइम्स माई फादर स्टिल रिग्रेट. अब नहीं करते जब से कला मेरे ओपन हुए. बट वो हमेशा उनका ड्रीम था कि घर में ब्रदर्स माई uncles, my father, everybody was from IT engineering line. तो मैंने कहा कि घर में एक डॉक्टर भी होना चाहिए. एंड माई ड्राइंग वॉज वेरी गुड सिंस चाइल्डहुड. तो वो साइंस के जो फाइल्स वगैरह बनते हैं बॉटनी जूलॉजी और वो सब मैं बहुत परफेक्शन से बनाती थी. विद सच अ परफेक्शन कि माई कंसर्न सब्जेक्ट टीचर यूज टू टेल मी ये ट्रेसिंग किया है. तो आई यूज टू से नो मैम फ्री हैंड है. तो पता चला कि आई एम नॉट ओनली मेकिंग माई फाइल बट मैनी अदर क्लासमेट्स फाइल. सो माई फादर ये क्राइटेरिया को प्रायोरिटाइज करते हुए उनका ये रीजन स्ट्रॉन्ग हो गया कि यू शुड ड्रॉप 1 year एंड शुड गो टू टेक कोचिंग फॉर मेडिकल एंट्रेंस. सो एट दैट टाइम मुझे लगा कि अब तो आई हैव टू रिवील माई पैशन टू माई पेरेंट्स. सो आफ्टर गिविंग बोर्ड्स ऑफ क्लास 12 आई क्लियरली gave my decision. I want to pursue fine arts. Now that was a big shock in 90s. So my father told me कि that तो you can do sketching painting parallel to your medical studies. So, no, I want to do my graduation in fine arts, not on the hobby level. Exactly, that was a huge shift from the conventional thought to towards something experimental studies. But yes, by God's grace, they they took my decision and accepted it, and they said कि ठीक है अगर you are so passionate then you have to promise कि you will complete your studies. You will not in between say कि अभी तो ये हो गया अभी मुझे कुछ और करना है. So yes, I started my academic career you can say by starting taking graduation degree in fine arts. Ma'am, what is the change or a trend which you can see today? You mentioned that in 90s was something else. What do you think about today? How it's different from that age group? Huge difference now I can see in the thought process, in the awareness and the mindset of the parents. Because in our time there was fixed criteria. If you're a science student that and you have maths, you have to go for IT line. for engineering, for biomedical, for humanities and civil services, or do B.Ed and become educationist. So only very fixed mind field criteria were there.
Can I say that there were some boxes जिसमें
There
बच्चे
were
को fit कर
boxes
दिया
fit
जाता
कर
था?
दिया जाता था कि या फिर फैमिली में जो है ऑलरेडी, सो वो एक ट्रांसफर होता है एक
Generations
हाँ
to generation, legacy.
your father is doctor, then the child has to be doctor who will take care of hospital.
And the wife will also be a
And the
doctor.
wife needs to be a doctor. तो सब मिलके हॉस्पिटल चलाएंगे काइंड ऑफ दैट. तो वो चीज़ तो खैर अब बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. Now parents are giving liberty to their kids कि whatever you want to do, that should be your decision. We are with you, but yes, that discipline should be there from both the sides. कि जो भी चीज आप पैशन के साथ आप करने जा रहे हो, that you need to give 100%.
हाँ मतलब there should be a commitment for sure.
There should be commitment because commitment बिना तो आपका passion भी then it will be, will not last long.
What message you want to give to those parents who say कि okay summer camp में तो आप कर लो ये चीज, but अपोज समर कैंप तो नहीं मेरे को तो इसको पढ़ाई करवानी है, उनके लिए क्या मैसेज देना चाहते हो?
See, यहाँ पे भी मेरा ऑब्जर्वेशन है कि 4-5 साल से सिनेरियो बहुत चेंज हुआ है. 4-5 years back, like if I talk 2016-17 तक, because we are running this center from last more than 15 years. So in the culinary journey also I have seen कि हमें पहले पेरेंट्स को बहुत कन्विंस करना पड़ता था कि अपार्ट फ्रॉम एकेडमिक्स सिलेबस चाइल्ड नीड समथिंग मोर टू लर्न, एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज. ठीक है, स्पोर्ट्स अपनी जगह है. सो you just channelize the energy of the student, your child, understand what his or her liking is. If he wants to go for swimming, learning guitar, music, instrumental, painting, photography. So there are so many fields where child can opt for to learn and pursue a passion. उस समय हमें बहुत कन्विंस करना तो पड़ता था पेरेंट्स को कि आप बच्चे को सिलेबस के अपार्ट में कुछ कराइए, बिकॉज दे वर लाइक ट्यूशन भेज रहे हैं ना मैम, ग्रेड्स अच्छे आने चाहिए स्कूल में. मतलब स्कूल के ग्रेड्स अपनी जगह है और कुछ एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज अपनी जगह है. बट नाउ आई एम सो हैप्पी टू सी दैट यंग पेरेंट्स आर टेकिंग इनिशिएटिव कि नहीं, साल भर बच्चा अगर पढ़ाई कर रहा है, ग्रेड्स ला रहा है, टेस्ट, so much burden of test, unit test, half yearlies. I don't know how many times schools are taking exams of such tiny toddlers. Every time I see mothers busy with the submission of some test paper and आज ये टेस्ट है, आज वो टेस्ट है. So बच्चे को भी ब्रेक चाहिए इस सबसे. So this is the best time that summer camps के थ्रू वो अपनी एनर्जी वो थोड़ा डाइवर्ट होगा, साल भर के रूटीन से उसको ब्रेक मिलेगा. आई एम नॉट सेइंग एवरी चाइल्ड शुड गो फॉर वन काइंड ऑफ थिंग कि हाँ स्केचिंग, पेंटिंग या क्राफ्ट. देयर आर सो मेनी अपॉर्चुनिटीज नाउ व्हिच पेरेंट्स आर विलिंगली अंडरस्टैंडिंग, अवेयर एंड टेकिंग देयर चाइल्ड टू सच सेंटर्स, टू सच प्रोफेशनल्स जो उनको और उस फील्ड पर्टिकुलर फील्ड में ग्रूम कर सके.
So, you mentioned, ma'am, that kids are now parents, young parents are aware. Perfect. What do you think how this skill India, skill learning, everything is now in the hype or in the trend in the market? How do you see that?
Skill India is a huge and very important campaign, which I should say it should be an ongoing campaign, not only for the government on the government level, on the state government level, but to every person who is an who wants to become self-sufficient entrepreneur, who wants to do something of his own choice and passion. Because आज डिग्रीज के मोहताज नहीं है कोई भी स्किल या कोई भी इंडस्ट्री, आई शुड से. इफ ऑन अ सीरियस नोट, what I observe कि you name any industry and they need professionals, skill oriented professionals जो उस प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग को, जो उस इंडस्ट्री की नॉलेज रखते हो और जो उसमें कुछ अपना वैल्यूबल इनपुट दे सके. सो बी डिज़ाइन इंडस्ट्री, बी इट क्राफ्ट इंडस्ट्री, बी इट टेक्सटाइल, and I can name it so many industries जहाँ पे सिर्फ skill oriented talent चाहिए.
I believe जो India in 2025 we are struggling with the skilled labor. I think in India 2045 we will be full of skilled labor.
Yes, yes. So that short and sweet message I want to give to those parents who always, they have this mindset कि grades are very important. I understand grades are very important for every student who is in school or college. But apart from this, I don't need to give examples from sports side, from Bollywood, from singing segment, from designer fraternity. There are so many people जो कि कभी school college ही नहीं गए, and they are the face of India globally,
Very true, very true, very important.
right? So
See, a lot of goosebumps of this because I know I can see that. Yeah, and I think all the people who are doing great are the backbenchers.
Exactly,
or maybe the
exactly.
below grade. And we need to accept it.
yes, yes.
जितना लेट हम करते जाएंगे उतना हमें ही help
So
करूँगा.
just recognize your talent and skill.
Exactly.
And I always believe there's always a hidden talent in every human being. We just need to understand your thing. कि I'm good at poetry writing, or I'm good at singing, I'm good at theater, I'm good at craft or art or sports. Just give bit of time, and you never know कब आप अपने mainstream professions उससे surpass कर जाओगे.
Ma'am, you chose to talk on application of finance in education system. Why? Why only this topic?
See, this is very important because till date, what my observation is, there's lack of awareness still going on in tier 2 cities. Like people of metro cities are very much aware about the unconventional fields. But when I talk about 2 tier cities like our pink city Jaipur, parents are still having this mindset that their child should go towards safe fields where they can complete their studies from school level to class 12 grades. Then they should go for some graduation. Either if they have commerce background, they should do CACS. If they are having science maths or science bio, they should go towards medical grounds or IT line engineering. If some other miscellaneous fields, then there are fields like law.
What do you think? It's. I think this is a insecurity of the parent himself,
Exactly.
which not let kid explore.
So this, I will not say problem. This is just a
Insecure.
gap of communication or lack of awareness, which we need to transfer to maximum families and to the parents. That fine arts design has also so much job opportunities, freelancing works, and
I wanted to quote that story which you mentioned. A child came to you and said, "Ki, I want to do fine art and 9th standard."
yes.
If you can just share with the audience.
Yes, so on the daily basis, because I am the creative field counselor, so very frequently I handle many interesting, some complicated cases. So yes, that's why what I started my communication with this key. There should be only the campaign of awareness. Ki fine art and design also has a lot of job and business opportunities.
And there's a lack of it. Well, there's scarcity of it.
There's a scarcity of it.
Yeah.
And there's a huge scope. India needs budding artists and designers. No segment, no industry, no, you can say,
No summer camp can survive without designing
Without
part.
designing part. When we are going to see film, I always quote this example. When we see any film, film is an amalgamation of every visual and performing art. Content writing.
So I'm still that
writing.
story is left.
Yes. So coming back to that, my experience. So one family came and they said ki she want to join the summer camp. So I talked to the student. So she said, I'm only joining this summer camp to, to enhance my sketching skills. Otherwise, my vision and goal is very much clear. She was shocked. At this tender age, she was clear about what she wants to become as an adult. So I just asked her, "Beta, what do you want to become in future?" I want to become a missile designer. What? Missile designer, can you see? And she knows the name of that research center, the college where she will be studying for this, and where she can work along with the scientists who are
Wow.
working on those missile making and the launching and that. So then how this connectivity that you want to learn sketching, Abhi, and you want to become a missile designer? She said, I'll be making beautiful missile stuff and I will be designing some creative and very modified
So
missiles.
new Brahmos are coming.
Yes, they are
Creative
coming.
designing.
In a country, some very designer missiles are coming. So it's just a very beautiful example how our
Art
coming
integrated in the
generation, yes.
very day-to-day activities.
And coming
Because
on a serious note, our IITs of India. So, on various centers, like more than 10 centers of IITs are now running up with their IDC departments, which we call as industrial design centers. So, they are offering the intricate course to the
Students.
spa students to become and giving professional education for becoming designs in various fields, be it product design, automobile design, car design, new interface design, new media design, toy and game design, filmmaking. So there are a lot of courses which our countries offer.
very funny example. I own 4-5 cameras, ancient cameras. I have my archives. So in that, I have American and different cameras. In that, one is Indian. The most pathetic design is the Indian one only. And don't take it offended because I'm Indian also. But then I believe keep maybe because the colors and everything was not really well. But maybe like whatever the cameras and upcoming designs are coming, they are very good.
Yes.
So I believe this trend is,
Yes.
or changing.
Many
the
design
patterns.
colleges are now offering industrial packaging design.
True, yes.
So there the students will learn how to package the design, how to give a beautiful, good look to any product. So this is a very upcoming and booming industry, and where there's a gap, there's a scope of lot of opportunities. So we need to just aware our wonderful parents who are giving this, opportunity to their kids. Ki, yes, pursue your passion and dreams. But just that's why this is my favorite topic to speak. Trends about the fine arts and design.
In Jaipur, there are multiple locations. We have a lot of auditoriums. How do you see RIC as a venue this time, and how do you see, because RIC is just 2 years old, and we chose and we are like now we'll continue this pattern. So how do you see RIC as an option for the summer camp generation?
RIC, in a very, very short span of time, has become a milestone of art, culture, performance, visual arts. A lot of opportunities to so many uh, artists, be it theater artists, drama, play artists, musicians, instrumentals. A lot of very knowledgeable sessions are going there on and off and on a daily basis. So, in a very short span of time, it has become the art and culture hub of Jaipur, I can say, where they're offering beautiful events to Jaipurites to come and explore, to be a part of it. So yes, it is a very important center, and I'm so happy and glad that Act to Action Summer Camp, you can say the closing ceremony and the interaction with the participating students, parents, and so many activities which we have already discussed. It is happening at such a beautiful center. So hats off to the RIC team and the management.
To help us, to really helping us and welcome us, support us for the whole program.
Yes.
And I believe RIC itself can only accommodate this numbers.
Definitely. That building itself is a beautiful center with so many artworks inside it.
Ah.
So inside and outside you can
Very
explore so many
thoughtful.
arts. Very thoughtful, aesthetically made building.
Yes. I spoke to the management and they told me that we have a biggest hall without
Yes.
pillar, and this is also have a potential to be world biggest pillar, biggest hall without pillar.
Without
But
pillar.
because already Govind Dev Ji owns that title, so they choose to be a bit low because Govind Dev Ji is Aradhya Dev,
Yes.
so they deserve it. So this purity and this this amazing thoughts they have. So I think their agenda and their personal
The
thought is-
management team and the supporting staff is very helpful because we have done a lot of art activities and events and exhibitions there earlier. So we know that that's a superb center.
every Jaipurites must go there.
It's a must visit center, I should say.
Because I think a lot of people still don't know about RIC.
Yes.
And that's not a problem of RIC, it's a problem of us.
Yes, awareness. We have to spread awareness.
We have to be aware. All right, so ma'am, quickly last message to all the parents to come to RIC, or what they will achieve if they come to RIC, and what they will miss if they will miss RIC. What do you say?
See, it's not a message. It's a clear, we should be the part of that beautiful, wonderful event which we are anxiously waiting. Every child, every active action faculty, team members, back-end administration team has worked really hard to make it happen. So please, parents, not only you, not only your child, but you should be there in maximum numbers with your relatives, with your friends, with your family members. Just you have to give a bit of time
For yourself, for your
self-
child.
your child. Just see and explore how wonderfully they have worked with your child and what they're displaying, what they will be performing, what they have to say about their experience as a participating student in this beautiful summer camp, their beautiful experience. So just be there because not only the venue is superb, the team is superb, but most importantly, your child. So waiting for you there.
I think ma'am is also busy. She will be coming early morning on 15th.
Yes, yes.
And directly she'll join us. So thank you so much, ma'am, for your time.
Pleasure.
And I am sure that everybody will attend your session. And guys, that's a shout out to you that she will be directly there to see you in RIC. Join the session where you will understand and learn the application of fine arts in education system. It's very important because you never know that what exactly the uniqueness and the beauty of your child is. So don't fit a child into a box created by you. If all the child will become one, that is robots, that would be a child. So please protect your child from that rat race and protect him. Attend the session. I am sure being a parent, you'll get more clarity. You'll get a real counseling how you can pursue this art field, and you will actually break a lot of patterns which you have made from your colonial time that yes, this is for these people, this is for these people. No, it's all amalgamation, it's all integrated, and it is all interconnected, right? So join it. That's it. And thank you very much for listening
you
us.
so much.
See you at RIC.
See you there.